I'm Mattei from Matteirealty.ca. We have a new listing in Vaughan for lease. This is a executive condo townhouse that's fully renovated, including a full gourmet kitchen renovation, 3 renovated bathrooms. This home features an open concept design, 4 bedrooms, parking on the drive, a garage, a fully fenced private yard. As well, there's a finished lower level that has a 4th bedroom, powder room, laundry room, and direct access to the garage. For an executive or professional that's looking for an exclusive place to live, just steps to historic Market Lane and Woodbridge Avenue in Vaughan, this is what you've been after. So please contact me, Eric Mattei, at Matteirealty.ca for more information about 22 William Farr Lane for lease. Thank you.